Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace a starter on a 2000 Ford Taurus, easy method. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent sparks. Use jack stands after lifting the front of the car for safe access to the starter. Keep parts organized and take photos of wiring for reference. Work methodically and test connections before lowering the car to ensure the new starter functions correctly. In this video, I will show how to replace a starter on a 2000 Ford Taurus, easy method. First, locate the starter and inspect mounting points. Disconnect and label all electrical connections to avoid confusion during reassembly. Support the starter as you unbolt it to avoid injury or damage. Remove the old unit and compare it with the replacement to confirm correct fit and port positions before installation. In this video, I will show how to replace a starter on a 2000 Ford Taurus, easy method. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for long-lasting comfort while you wrench. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more easy car repair videos. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to replace a starter on a 2000 Ford Taurus, easy method. Mount the new starter and hand-tighten bolts to align it properly. Reattach all labeled wires, making sure terminals are clean and snug to ensure reliable starts. Tighten bolts to proper torque and reconnect the negative battery terminal last. Test by starting the engine and listen for smooth engagement, then recheck fasteners after a short test drive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.